Hi everyone, welcome back to the Lilac house. I am so glad you're here. My name is Crystal, and in today's video I have a special announcement for you. I am teaming up with my friend Roxanne from over at Everything About Hallmark, and we are going to be doing a collaboration video. This will be next Sunday. So for this video, we are both Hearties. If you know what that means, it means we love the show One Calls the Heart from the Hallmark Channel, and it premieres in March. So we are preparing for the premiere. And next Sunday on February 13th, we are going to be making a couple of things to prepare for the premiere. We'll be making a heart banner and some heart-shaped homemade Oreos. The best thing about this is it could be for Valentine's Day, Lovey-Worry, or for One Calls the Heart. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a very simple and easy craft. Everything I'm using comes from the Dollar Tree. We are going to be making a When Calls the Heart countdown chalkboard heart. Let's get into this video and I'll show you how to make it. You'll need chalkboard paint, a paintbrush, and a heart sign. I found all of these items at the Dollar Tree, and I had actually never used this chalkboard paint before, so it was fun to test it out. First, I removed the hooks. Now, if you can't find a heart sign, you could always find one that's square or a different shape, and you can do the same thing. This is really the easiest project ever. You just pour a little paint and paint the entire heart. The whole reason why I wanted to do a countdown was because I think that countdowns are a really fun way for us to find joy in the month of February. I decided to paint the back as well because I'm going to have one side before a One Calls the Heart countdown each week, and the other side I'm going to use for a Valentine's countdown so my daughter can see it. I put the little string back inside of the holes so I can hang it up, and then you can embellish it with chalk paint or chalkboard markers or little hearts. I just wrote a little countdown on it, and I'll probably have my daughter decorate it with some hearts. I think it turned out super cute and it was really fun and easy to make. I'm excited to count down the days to Valentine's Day and each week for the new episodes of One Calls the Heart. I forgot to mention that we're going to be live. This will be a live video, so everything we're making you can make with us. Make sure you subscribe to her channel and to my channel so you don't miss it. Also, in the description box below, I'll list everything you'll need for all of the decorations and cookies we're going to be making. And I'll leave her channel too, so make sure you subscribe to it. I hope you remember that you are amazing and you are loved, and I will see you next week with Roxanne. Bye!